You need to hear this if you're planning a wedding. Did you know the time it takes to plan a wedding depends on the date you choose? Weddings can be planned in as little as 3 months or as long as 3 years. Let's dive into it and make it all crystal clear. So, first things first, setting the date. This is your starting point. It's like the cornerstone of your wedding planning journey. Next up, choosing the venue. This is where the magic happens, folks. It's all about finding that perfect spot that speaks to both of you. And finally, selecting the vendors. These are the people who will bring your vision to life. From florists to caterers, every detail counts. All right, let's talk about the guest list and invitations. This is one of the most crucial parts of wedding planning. You want to make sure you invite everyone who matters to you, but also keep it within your budget. Start by listing your closest family and friends, then work your way outwards. Don't forget to consider plus ones and kids. Once your list is ready, it's time to send out those beautiful invitations. Make sure they reflect the theme and tone of your wedding. And remember, it's always a good idea to send them out at least 6 to 8 weeks before the big day. Now, let's move on to one of the most exciting parts of wedding planning, the dress and attire. Finding the perfect wedding dress can be a magical experience. Start by trying on different styles to see what suits you best. Don't forget about the groom and the bridal party. Their attire should complement the overall theme of the wedding. And hey, comfort is key. You'll want to enjoy every moment of your special day without any wardrobe malfunctions. As the big day approaches, it's time for the final preparations. Confirm all your bookings and make sure everything is in place. Check in with your vendors to avoid any last-minute surprises. Organize a timeline for the wedding day to ensure everything runs smoothly. It's also a good idea to have a rehearsal with your bridal party. This will help everyone know what to expect and ensure that everyone is on the same page. And there you have it. With careful planning and a bit of creativity, your wedding day will be everything you've ever dreamed of. Congratulations on your upcoming wedding, and here's to a lifetime of happiness and love.